Alright, let's get straight to it. Understanding your Robinhood gains and losses. Robinhood provides a few key areas to track your investment performance. First, navigate to the Account tab, typically found at the bottom right of the app. Here, you'll see your total portfolio value. This is the current market value of all your holdings. To understand your actual profit or loss, you need to look at your total return. This figure represents the difference between your current portfolio value and the total amount of money you've invested. It's often displayed as a dollar amount and a percentage. A positive number indicates a profit, while a negative number indicates a loss. For a more granular view, tap on Investing. You'll see a breakdown of your individual stock or cryptocurrency performance. Each asset will show its current value, your average cost basis, the average price you paid per share, and the profit or loss for that specific holding. Key tip: regularly review your transaction history. This section provides a detailed record of every buy and sell order, dividends received, and other account activities. Comparing your purchase price with the current market value helps you understand the true performance of each investment beyond the simple total return.